Hey folks, welcome back to another episode. We want to thank you for watching our mega epic update last week. It was the 18-month time lapse. It was really amazing to put it all together. It was great to watch back for us. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well.
It was like, it brought back so many memories watching the time lapse, and I suppose it makes us really realize just how far we've come with it all. So this week, we hope to just provide a little bit more information and I suppose give you an idea of what it all looks like now.
What we wanted to do in the lead up to Christmas, we're very close to having some news on the grant, but basically we just want to do a little bit of a recap. So we're going to take the next few weeks to just put the project in a context. So we had every single piece of work that we did last week. This week, we want to show you the full tour, house, top to bottom. We want to talk you through the rooms and we want to talk you through some of the decisions we made. And if you're a regular viewer, you may have seen this already, but we're actually going to stitch them all together. And then next week, what we want to do is to talk about the finances. We want to break down the entire project, how much it all cost, how much we budgeted, and did we come in on target?
How much did we spend?
Exactly.
Everybody loves a good thing about money.
And then the very last video is going to be about what our future plans are. So with regards to the future plans, we want to really spend a bit of time to do up a map so we can show you the full project and full scope of everything we're planning to do. With the financial breakdowns, we've got to make some way to present this in a video format that's gonna make sense. And with today, we just want to really just show you start to finish. I know we've done a few of these tours. We want to show start to finish what our place looks like on the inside. There's a lot to do outside. There's a lot more projects related to the house, but just to start to finish of where we are. Really.
I guess what will really help with the financial side of it is that we'll probably keep it similar to the layout of what you can spend on the grant and just give everybody an idea of how much we spent in each area. And because that helped us decide what we were going to really spend, what would the majority of the cost was going on. You know, so much was going on windows, we only had that much, so we had to keep it in that. So that might be really helpful for other people doing the same thing.
So if you're not subscribed, press that button and you will be notified once these new videos come out. And we're hoping this is going to bring us in towards the end of the year. After the new plans, the next year is going to bring something pretty special.
And let us know if you're doing your own project, because we'd love to know how you're getting along.
I'm very, very glad we took the time to get all the rooms perfect, because all the rooms are not perfect now. Kids moving in like snug decorated for Christmas. Yeah, but I'm really glad we managed to put that together, and if you're doing a similar project, I would highly advise you to do that. Definitely capture all of the work you do, but actually put your best foot forward, you know, get the room tidy and take a nice video of it. And you'll always have that, you'll always look back on that. So that's what we're doing now. We're going to show this. I'm really looking forward to doing the editing and seeing how it all comes together. And
we'll be back.
If we're not back, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Stuck in.
Are you here for the tour?
I sure am.
Come on.
Come back to your breath, don't drift away. don't know how much I can carry. You don't know how much I care. Throw me into the deepest ocean, and I promise you I'll swim through the highs and the lows. You will find me, and just know that I'm here to stay. Like every wave will find its way back into the big blue, I will find my way to you. And like a harvest moon, turn from darkness into gold. That's when you'll know that you'll find home. So here we go now, slowly open up your eyes. Let me be your guide. Stepping stones together. Do you see it now? You're still that child. You're the glue for my pieces. With you I know I can grow. Counting days and hours from the distance. 'Cause wherever you are I call home. And all along it's all been making sense. With good and bad still we got no regrets. I've been down, I've been wounded and beaten by the ones that I cared for most. But with you I think I found home. Born over a fault line, bad teeth and worse habits, high heels in a trailer. If you want it, you should have it. Cracking like a glacier. Any semblance of restraint. Simple observations of a tired out complaint. I get in my own way. 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 Amplifier washes glass up in the sand, panning through the static for the sound of a friend. Underneath the bleachers, on the fringes of the game, chanting combinations of some tired out complaints. I get in my own way. 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 Lucians fill the picture. Gossip magazines
The tour was something that it was kind of like, there goes our Christmas clock. We might just wait till it finished. Santa Claus is coming to town. This season, that's why it's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Beautiful.